Welcome to AAA. This is the 100-watt Smd floodlight. This light's available in 110, 220, 230, 240 volt AC only. Big advantage with this light, you can mount it on top of a wheelhouse or a gantry, and then once you've mounted it you can swing it right forward until it hits whatever's in front of it, or right back until it does the same. The idea is if it was on top of a wheelhouse and you wanted to shine it down on the deck, you can position the light like that. This light also comes with a length of cable. I'll just give you some measurements. The light is 16 inches, 40 centimeters, 400 mils. The width is 12.99 inches, 33 centimeters, 330 mil. Side measurement, its widest point is 2 3/4 inches, 7 centimeters or 70 mil. Thanks for watching.